Okay, this is just a bit of fun. Peugeot 205. Paintwork shot to bits. There's no shine there whatsoever, as you can see. So we're just going to have a bit of fun. We're going to do a half and half. I'm going to do this side, leave that side, and it's just a bit of fun today, trying out some new repairs pads, polishes and compounds, and Tenzi's clay lube and clay bars. So this isn't a product review, just a bit of fun. Okay folks, that's two-stage machine polishing, one with the compound and one with the polish, but the true test. So we just come in here. That is the untreated side. All the nasty swirls, and as we go through, look at the difference. Just get the camera, so all the scratch is gone. Untreated side. There we go. Going on to the, look at the difference. And you can see the difference there, look. Looking at the lights in the roof. No scratches whatsoever, and then look at the difference. It's a better shot. So just shows you, even with an old banger, you can make a massive difference. So just a bit of fun, that one. Suppose we better do the other half now.